Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how to fix the problem of dryer. If your dryer is good condition and there is no problem of power supply, but your dryer machine having the issue, there is a CL on the display, so don't confuse. And what you have to do in case of that, press these two switches together, dry levels and delicate switch together. Hold it until the unlock. So your machine is okay now, so you can use easily. Thank you for watching and subscribe my YouTube channel.